Welcome to our tutorial on how to fix auto-refreshing on Snapchat with the latest update. If you're experiencing issues with Snapchat constantly auto-refreshing on your Android device, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. To begin, access the settings on your Android device. Navigate to the Apps section and locate Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat to access its specific settings. Within the Snapchat settings, find the Mobile Data option and select App Data Usage. This will allow you to manage how Snapchat uses data on your device. Now let's address the auto-refreshing problem. Look for the setting for background data usage and toggle it off and then back on. This action can help reset the background data usage settings for Snapchat, potentially resolving the auto-refreshing issue. By adjusting the background data usage setting, you may be able to fix the auto-refreshing behavior of Snapchat on your device. Say goodbye to the annoyance of Snapchat constantly refreshing. Congratulations! You have successfully resolved the auto-refreshing problem on Snapchat. By following these steps, you can enjoy a smoother experience on Snapchat without the interruptions caused by auto-refreshing. Thank you for watching our tutorial on fixing auto-refreshing on Snapchat. We hope this guide has been helpful in addressing the issue you are facing. Stay connected and share your moments seamlessly on Snapchat. Happy snapping!